Hi, this is Rapido Code Pro back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about defining functions. So you want to download Visual Studio Code. You can do that from the python.org website. It'll just be a button that says download the latest version of Python and do that. And then follow the setup instructions in the console. Now, after you've done that, open a new Python file and name it name.py. And in the console, type def dev Matthew. So you're defining a function named Matthew. And then you're going to want to type print Matthew. This will print the function Matthew. Imagine what I taught you in 60 seconds. Imagine what I could teach you in just 60 days. So subscribe to Rapido Code Pro, where you can learn coding, not just Python coding, but any type of coding as fast as possible.